YouTube. After 40 takes of trying to get this microphone to work, I wanted to show you that I bought a new microphone, and the apparently software took over and did its own thing. So anyway, welcome to Gunawag Utah's garage. I bought something. Yeah, I'm always buying shit. Yeah, you probably know that by watching my channel. But I picked up a microphone because the microphone on my previous microphone I'm using are these shitty things. They work good. Don't get me wrong. They're cheap. They got a little battery in it. I had to buy an adapter to go in the iPhone. You got to plug it in. You forget to unplug it. Problem is, you can't walk very far. I bought what do you call it? A little whoops, wrong way. Lewinner. I don't know. I live in a French province, so L-E is Le. So is it Lewinner? Lewinner or Lewinner? I don't know. Anyway, it comes with a little McFuzzy. They go on the top. Comes with a little handy little carrying case. It's got a USB cord. Has a little space put in it. It's pretty cool. Comes with a little carrying case. From what I can tell, it comes with an earpiece when I'm listening to myself, so I obviously think I sound gross. And it also comes with Bluetooth wireless, so I can stand in this little section I just cleaned up right here behind my bench, so I don't get sparks and set my entire garage on fire. I have to dig all the metal out, so now I can make videos from far away. The problem I had a minute ago was it was using both cameras at the same time, which I have no idea how the hell it did that. But so anyway, that's one of my new gadgets. I'm always buying gadgets. I know. Thank you, Danny. You will see me use tools with this microphone. Plus, I can walk all over my garage and annoy you and make crazy jokes. So yeah, like, subscribe, and enjoy my channel, because that's what I do. I just make stuff. I might punish you with a clean my bench video, because my bench is completely full of shit that I took off the floor here, and I gotta move all the shit back. Anyway, that was long enough. I got a few little gadgets I want to show. The only reason why I've been picking up more gadgets, because I need to get that milling machine working, and I needed a few pieces to finish the Wilton vise. I'm getting to it, don't worry. So anyway, like, subscribe, leave a comment, whatever.